Hey besties! Raise your hand if you're so over your favorite black jeans turning that weird, sad gray color after like 3 washes?
I was, until I researched this game changer. It turns out the secret to keeping your darks dark is incredibly cheap and sitting in your pantry. You need white vinegar. Here is why this hack is totally proven to work. Standard laundry detergent is slightly alkaline. White vinegar, on the other hand, is acidic. The acid neutralizes the alkalinity, effectively setting the dye into the fabric. So, it also works as a fantastic natural fabric softener by breaking down detergent buildup. How smart is that? Step 1. Add it. Add a half cup of white vinegar into the fabric softener compartment or the main drum during the rinse cycle. Step 2. Wash cold. Always run your darks on a cold and gentle cycle. Hot water is enemy number 1 for those dark fabric dyes. Step 3. Air dry. Skip the dryer and air dry your clothes in the shade. The UV rays from sunlight can fade clothes so fast. Why is this hack everything? The acid sets dyes, it fights odors naturally, it's super cheap, and it contains no harsh chemicals or artificial colors. Ready to save your favorite clothes? Try this hack on your next laundry day. What's your biggest laundry struggle? Tell me in the comments. Save this post so you never forget. This trick is a total lifesaver for your wardrobe. Go ahead and click that save button now.